Okay, so now the second one is connected with variable for string. So what we gonna learn from variable from string? So first, like I'm using one more Anaconda, and then I will click here in Python notebook tree. Let's give the name like our second lesson. It's like second day, like variable for string, and it will be like on the day one project. Okay, so first, like I forgot to mention you, like in Python you can mention if it's connected with a command that you don't want to display, you use the hashtag. And for example, we run variable for string, and whatever is here, if you click run, it will never be appear as one of Python command. So variable for string. So what's that variable for string? So if you learn and remember the first lesson, we can type easily print hello world, right? The question is, if you think like you want to type something long, and instead typing very long, because hello world, we meet again in our lesson, for example, it seems it's too long, but let's see, we run. Okay, and then we're thinking like, I want, instead of typing long, I want just to write it as a greetings. So here, what is variable for string? First, like this variable, it's always like semantic, and Python basically like blind of semantic. So whatever you type, like greetings or greeting Python or anything, or greeting Python 1, greeting Python 2, whatever you write, they don't care. Python is blind to semantic. So when I type greeting, and then I will a couple of rules here. First, Python, let's write it as a hashtag here. Variable in Python cannot have space in their name. So if you, for example, type greeting with space 1, Python will not recognize it as a variable. So how to deal with it? You have to put underscore greeting 1. This is how to do it. Okay, and the second rule is variable, I would say like it doesn't have to, but it will be better, will be good if you put the space between sign equal. So for example, like this, you can write like greeting equal to hello world, no problem at all. As you could see, I will run it, and then I will type print greeting 1. It's like calling the greeting before that we already typed. If you see, hello world. If you write like greeting 2 with space in between the equal, hello, it's me again, it's also work, no problem. Print greeting 2, it's appear. So that's the thing, but it will be great if you put also space in between. Okay, let's go to the next rule. So another thing connected with variable is like variable can change their value to the latest. So let's say like as you know, like the capital Indonesia right now is in Java. Okay, Iceland of Indonesian capital, I would say. But and then we run, and then for example I print island of Indonesian capital here, and then run. Let's see, it's Java. But since the government moved it for the good cause to Borneo, okay, let's just copy so we will not make any typo, to Borneo. So it makes the value of the island of Indonesian capital change into Borneo. So if we print one more time, it's changed the value. So that's the capital things. And then capital, the variable here as the trailer teaser before we going to the next list, the other type of variable that accommodate many value. Variable also can have a number, like a value, for example, like number, or my home address, for example. Sorry, better to type everything without capitalize in Python. My home address number, for example, I type 1. It could be like this. If I print, it will print 1. But the problem is, like, if I have two home, for example 1 and 2, it will not works. Let's see. Okay, well, it, as you could see, like it's only have one, like 1 and 2, but this is like the problem. Then you cannot really use this the value. So that's why next one we will learn how use list. Is it like this, like group of value in a certain variable? Okay, so this is at this point for the day 1 learning variable for string. Hope it helps, guys. Thanks.